So this is my quick book review of The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. Now, this is an awesome book on action taking and basically understanding why you need to, take a lot of action to achieve what it is that you actually want to achieve. Now, what he says is, we aim low, we aim for the bare minimum, and we say, okay, we're going to go after this. And the problem is, when we aim low and say we hit low, it's not really enough. It's not really satisfying to hit the initial target. So what he encourages is for you to aim 10 times whatever it is that you're aiming for. So if you want to earn $1,000, aim for $10,000. And what this does is it changes your thinking. When you're aiming, to times 10 what you initially thought, it's actually starting to use your imagination to figure out a way on how you can make that kind of money. And it happens with everything. And the reason why it's not a problem is because when you spend the time to work out, how could I make 10 times, what I was going for, you start to discover what changes you need to make in your life, what sacrifices you need to make, the people you need to learn from, and what you actually need to do every single day to achieve it. And say you fell short in the 12-month period, you didn't save 10,000, you got to 7.5. That's $6,500 more than what you were actually aiming for. And the magic of that is you got higher than what you thought, and you're actually developing into a completely different person. So when you're aiming higher than where your mind is currently at, you need to take steps to develop into the person that you need to be to achieve that level. And that's basically what the book is about. It's less thinking about, taking the action, sitting back and, thinking about making that phone call or making this change in your life. And it's just getting out and doing it. Because if you don't get out and you don't do things, you can't get real life feedback that says, no, that's not working. Or you don't get feedback that tells you, okay, you need to adjust your method. Because you're never going to hit anything, 100% first go. You got to get out there, try something, get the feedback, and adjust as you go. So that's one thing that Grant really encourages through the book is to get out and do. Stop sitting back, stop talking about it, stop daydreaming about what it'd be like to achieve what it is you want to achieve, and get on the phone, get out there and exercise, put money away, whatever you need to do. Take the time. Don't take the time. Just get out there and do it. And it's quite awesome advice. Now, essentially, it's about massive action and getting massive results.